Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can enable cookies on Samsung Internet. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on my Samsung Internet application. So the first thing that you need to do guys is leave the application and then search for settings on your phone. Once you find it, go ahead and click on it. And then this is how it will look like. So firstly, scroll down until you find apps. And then once you find this, go ahead and click on it. And then scroll down until you find Samsung Internet. So just keep scrolling until you find Samsung apps. And then here it is. Go ahead and click on it. And then you're going to be right here. Here you can change all the settings related to this application. And if you go to the top, you're going to find Samsung Internet Settings. Go ahead and click on it. And then you're going to be right here. So scroll down until you find Sites and Downloads. Once you find it, go ahead and click. And then once you're here, click on Site Permissions. And then here in the top, you're going to find Cookies. So if you click here, you're going to find that you have three options: allow all cookies, block third-party cookies, and lastly, block all cookies. So if you want to enable it, make sure you check allow all cookies and then go back to your Samsung Internet and the changes will be saved. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.